Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we are doing a kids cooking video. I'm here with my little nephew,
Malcolm.
and we're going to be cooking teriyaki chicken today. We're also going to be making just plain white rice, but we're going to use Japanese rice because Japanese rice just works better in absorbing the teriyaki. We're going to wash and clean our chicken. We're going to do two types of chicken. We're going to do chicken breast with organic teriyaki, and we're going to do regular chicken breast with just kind of store-bought teriyaki. The thing that I want you to know is that teriyaki sauce is normally easy, but when you're cooking with kids, it's easier to do store-bought stuff. But if you want to make your teriyaki from scratch, all you need is soy sauce, brown or white sugar, ginger, garlic, crushed garlic. You mix it together and a little bit of salt and pepper, and you have your teriyaki sauce. And we have pineapples today, so we're gonna add pineapples to our teriyaki. So with that, we're gonna start cooking. We're gonna get Malcolm to start cutting some stuff. I have two knives here today. We have professional knives, but one's not sharp, or it's not super sharp, and then we have one that's super sharp. I'm gonna be using this one. He will be using this one. We're gonna cut some onions. We'll do that on high speed so you can see us cutting onions, but we'll voice over that. We're gonna do a few things. I preheated my oven. You wanna preheat your oven to about 425. I have a oven thermometer. My oven does not get to the right temperature, so I'm preheating it a little bit higher. And then you wanna put your rice on, because your rice, if you're using a rice cooker, takes about 45 minutes. So with that, let's get at it. Oh, last thing. We're using vinegar today to wash our chicken. We're gonna wash all our chicken in our bowl before we marinate it, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. So with that, let's go. So now what we're gonna do, Malcolm, is that we're gonna rinse our chicken. We're gonna start with our chicken breast. And so we have our bowl here. We have our vinegar. I'm just gonna put some vinegar in here, and then we're gonna rinse this. And then once we rinse the chicken, then we're gonna start to marinate the chicken. So we're gonna marinate this one first. All right. So we're gonna have him pick it up and put it in there. Don't drop it in there, just do it like this.
Okay.
These chicken breasts, that's how you know they're genetically modified. It looks like, because they're about as big as his head. Look at that. And kids, don't eat raw chicken. You can get E. coli.
And salmonella.
And salmonella. So look, now we're rinsing this. We're rinsing the chicken. Here, you want to rinse it? Go ahead, you can rinse it. Put both hands in it. When you cook with both hands. See, he's doing such a good job. Look at that. He's rinsing the chicken, rinsing the chicken. So we'll let that sit there for a bit. And now we're gonna marinate the chicken. All right. All right, so next we're going to, what are we doing next?
We're gonna put this salt and this pepper in the teriyaki sauce.
And then we're gonna do what with the chicken?
We're gonna marinate it.
Yes, we're gonna marinate the chicken. So we're doing chicken breast first. Remember, we're using organic teriyaki, which we have here. We made that, and we have garlic chunks in there, minced garlic in there, so that's what you can see in there. And then we have our salt and pepper, but we're gonna actually do all of that on the tray. And what I'm gonna do first is I'm actually gonna spray this with a little bit of a non-stick spray, just because I don't want it to stick to the pan. Just a little bit of non-stick spray. And then, before we do the pepper, we're gonna do the chicken. So we're gonna put chicken here. We're gonna put these chicken breasts in here. We're gonna try to get them all in here. I don't know if we can, but we're gonna try.
Oh, we can only get like 4 or 5.
I might be able to get them all in there.
Oh.
And then we push that one in there. Yep.
This one's a big one.
Yep. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna rinse your hands first. Put that over there. We'll use that again. And then we're gonna speed up because we're gonna have him salt, pepper, and marinate everything. So we're gonna speed it up. All right, so what we're doing now is we're just brushing, for the chicken wings, we're brushing the teriyaki on the chicken wings because we don't want to overly teriyaki these chicken wings. And then we're gonna use the sauce, we're gonna pour over some of the sauce, but unlike with the chicken breasts, which are typically drier meats, we don't need so much sauce to keep it juicy. So what we're gonna do is we're brushing the chicken wings over, and we're gonna brush over the drumsticks, and then we're gonna pour a little bit, but not too much. So Malcolm, can you pour that for me?
Yep.
All right, that's good. And so now we're gonna cover this, and then we're gonna put this and the chicken breasts and the chicken drumsticks in the oven. And then we're just cleaning off our drumsticks because I can edit this. So now we're doing our drumsticks, and we're cleaning them with the vinegar. We're doing all of our drumsticks, and then we're gonna cook all of them. When you do your pineapple for your cooking and the onions, we're gonna do that after the first. So this all is gonna take about 45 minutes to cook. But what we're gonna do first is you cook it for 15 minutes, and then you open the oven, uncover everything, then you're gonna flip everything over. That's when we'll add, and then we'll cook it for another 15 minutes. And then we're gonna put more sauce on it. That's when we'll add our pineapple and our onions, because you don't wanna overcook your onions and you don't wanna overcook your pineapple. Now we're gonna put everything in the oven, and I'm gonna show, well, I'm gonna have Malcolm show you how to put everything in the oven.
Be very careful because you don't want to burn yourself.
Excellent job, Malcolm. And then what we'll do is we'll take that one, in 15 minutes, we're gonna turn everything over, right? And then 15 minutes after that, we'll add our pineapples and our onions. So YouTube friends and family, we finished it. This is what it looks like plated. Malcolm did all the plating you saw in the video. It was pretty easy to do. He's gonna try it. We're gonna figure out, does it taste good? It might look good. We're like Vidal Sassoon, because if you don't look good, we don't look good. Anyway, go ahead, taste it. Is it good? So we get one thumb up. All right, so I'm gonna try it. That's really good. Teriyaki turned out perfectly. We didn't plate the breast, but it was, I tasted it. It's really nice, tender, organic, nice. So for the healthy folks, you can have the organic stuff. For the folks like us, we're not trying to be healthy, we're just trying to eat. So good. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please check back for more videos with Malcolm in it, because we're gonna start doing more videos. It's gonna be my collab partner, 2021. Oh yeah, 2021. So we're in a new year. What? We made it. Anyway, please subscribe, like below, and please hit the like button for the algorithm. But thank you for rocking with us. Thank you for cooking with me. And subscribe and like below. He's not very happy about that. We out.
Subscribe right below.